Hello friends, now we are going to discuss airways or air transport in India. Airways is the fastest mode of transport and it is also the costliest mode of transport. Yet with the entry of private companies, there is every possibility that in near future it will become a cheap and main source of transportation. Now we will study about history of airways around 100 years back. In 1911, air transport in India was launched between Allahabad and Naini. In 1947, air transport was provided by four major companies, namely Indian National Airways, Tata Sons Limited, Air Services of India, and Deccan Airways. In 1951, four more companies joined the services: Bharat Airways, Himalayan Aviation Limited, Airways India, and Kalinga Airlines. In 1953, air transport was nationalized and two corporations, Air India International and Indian Airlines, were formed. The Indian Airlines Corporation, having headquarters in New Delhi, was established to conduct the air service within the country. Besides, it was also provide services to the neighboring countries like Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and Maldives, whereas Air India provided services to the foreign locations. 1981, a corporation named Vayadut was established for the domestic flights which provide the services to inaccessible regions or to those regions where the services of Indian Airlines could not reach. After some time, it has been merged with the Indian Airlines. In 2011, Indian Airlines and Air India have been merged, and a new company, National Aviation Company of India Limited, has been incorporated with its headquarters at Mumbai. At present, the length of the airspace is about 69 crore kilometers. As of 2013, there are 45 heliports in India. India also has the world's highest helipad at the Siachen Glacier at a height of 6,400 meters or 21,000 feet above mean sea level. Now we are going to discuss some advantages and disadvantages of airways. Advantages: it is the fastest mode of transport. It provides comfortable, efficient, and quick transport service. It is regarded as best mode of transport for transporting perishable goods and is regarded as the only means of transport in those areas which are not easily accessible to the other means of transport. Disadvantages: it is the most risky form of transport. It is regarded as the costliest form of transport. They are not suitable for carrying bulky goods. It requires huge investment for construction and maintenance of aeroplane. Thanks.